As per the most recent long-haul conjecture, Ethereum cost will hit $6,000 toward the finish of 2024 and afterward $7,000 by the center of 2025. Ethereum will ascend to $9,000 inside the extended period of 2027, $10,000 in 2028, and $12,000 in 2032. Ethereum value forecast 2024-2025. Ethereum cost began in 2024 at $2,294.70. Today, Ethereum exchanged at $3,022.96, so the cost expanded by 32% from the start of the year. The Guaj Ethereum cost toward the finish of 2024 is $6,846, and the year-to-year change plus 198%. The ascent from today to year-end, plus 126%. In 2024, we hope to see $5,417 per 1 Ethereum. In the primary portion of 2025, the Ethereum cost will move to $7,553. In the final part, the cost would lose $1 to $124 and close the year at $6,429, which is plus 113% to the ongoing cost. The estimate for later, close to days and months. Monday, Feb 26, $3,042. Tuesday, Feb 27, $3,061. Wednesday, Feb 28, $3,080. Thursday, Feb 29, $3,099. Friday, blemish $1, $3,118. Saturday, blemish $2, $3,137. Sunday, blemish $3, $3,156. Monday, blemish $4, $3,175. Walk $15, $3,384. April $15, $3,973. May $15, $4,543. June $15, $5,132. July $15, $5,533. August $15, $5,774. Ethereum expectation 2026-2030. These 5 years would bring an increment. Ethereum cost would move from $6,429 to $9,950, which is up 55%. Ethereum will begin 2026 at $6,429, then take off to $6,646 inside the initial half year of the year and finish 2026 at $7,643. That implies plus 153% from today. Ethereum expectation 2031-2035. In this period, the Ethereum cost would ascend from $9,950 to $13,332, which is plus 34%. Ethereum will begin 2031 at $9,950, then at that point take off to $10,547 inside the main portion of the year and finish 2031 at $11,140. It is about plus 269% from today. Ethereum value forecast 2024-2025. Ethereum cost began in 2024 at $2,294.70. Today, Ethereum exchanged at $2,269.98. So the cost diminished by 1% from the outset of the year. The anticipated Ethereum cost toward the finish of 2024 is $3,918 and the year-to-year change plus 71%. The ascent from today to year-end, plus 73%. In 2024, we hope to see $3,100 per 1 Ethereum. In the main portion of 2025, the Ethereum cost will move to $4,323. In the last part, the cost would lose $644 and close the year at $3,679, which is plus 62% to the ongoing cost. Ethereum forecast 2026-2030. These 5 years would bring an increment. Ethereum cost would move from $3,679 to $5,694, which is up 55%. Ethereum will begin 2026 at $3,679, then take off to $3,803 inside the initial half year of the year and finish 2026 at $4,373. That implies plus 93% from today. Ethereum forecast 2031-2035. In this period, the Ethereum cost would ascend from $5,694 to $7,631, which is plus 34%. Ethereum will begin 2031 at $5,694, then, at that point, take off to $636 inside the main portion of the year and finish 2031 at $6,376. It is about plus 181% from today. 011524. Ethereum value expectation 2024-2025. Ethereum cost began in 2024 at $2,294.70. Today, Ethereum exchanged at $2,509.82. So the cost expanded by 9% from the very outset of the year. The anticipated Ethereum cost toward the finish of 2024 is $4,139 and the year-to-year change plus 80%. The ascent from today to year-end, plus 65%. In 2024, we hope to see $3,373 per 1 Ethereum. In the main portion of 2025, the Ethereum cost will drop to $3,726. In the last part, the cost would lose $36 and close the year at $3,690, which is plus 47% to the ongoing cost. Ethereum forecast 2026-2030. These 5 years would bring an increment. Ethereum cost would move from $3,690 to $659, which is up 64%. Ethereum will begin 2026 at $3,690, then take off to $3,795 inside the initial half year of the year and finish 2026 at $4,364. That implies plus 74% from today. Ethereum expectation 2031-2035. In this period, the Ethereum cost would ascend from $659 to $8,551, which is plus 41%. Ethereum will begin 2031 at $659, then take off to $6-$423 inside the primary portion of the year, and finish 2031 at $662. It is about plus 142% from today. Ones or 1-2s into 4. Ethereum cost began in 2024 at $2,294.70. Today, Ethereum exchanged at $2,281.51, so the cost diminished by 1% from the start of the year. The Guaj Ethereum cost toward the finish of 2024 is that of $3,462, and the year-to-year change plus 51%. The ascent from today to year-end, plus 52%. In 2024, we hope to see $2,821 per 1 Ethereum. In the principal half of 2025, the Ethereum cost will drop to $3,117. In the last part, the cost would lose $30 and close the year at $3,87, which is plus 35% to the ongoing cost. Ethereum expectation 2026-2030. These 5 years would bring an increment. Ethereum cost would move from $3.87 to $5.67, which is up 64%. Ethereum will begin 2026 at $3.87, then at that point take off to $3,175 inside the initial half year of the year and finish 2026 at $3,651. That implies plus 60% from today. Ethereum expectation 2031-2035. In this period, the Ethereum cost would ascend from $5.67 to $7,150, which is plus 41%. Ethereum will begin 2031 at $5.67, then, at that point, take off to $5,371 inside the principal half of the year, and finish 2031 at $5.69. It is about plus 122% from today. 12,150,2023. Ethereum value forecast